welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Goods and passenger transport to Goa may stop from 12th May. AIMTC slams CM for failing to resolve entry tax issue, demands abolition of entry tax. Supreme Court adjourns hearing on Goa mining till July. Interim ban on mining and transportation to continue for another 2 months. Court hears petitioners. Goa Mining People's Front delegation meets Union Finance Minister, demands to restructure loans of mining affected, ask for special package for Goa. FM says let the proposal come from Goa government. Congress wins Karnataka poll, clinches 120 seats out of 223. BJP loses its hold. Yeddi's ouster and formation of Karnataka Janata Party cost BJP dearly. And state government challenges trial court judgment in Samir Mapari murder case in High Court. Trial court has acquitted 3 accused citing lack of evidence. Now the news in detail. Entry tax controversy has reared its ugly head again. Goods and passenger transport to Goa from neighbouring states may stop from 12th May. All India Motor Transport Congress has decided to stop truck and passenger transportation to Goa. They expressed their anger towards CM Manohar Parrikar for failing to resolve entry tax issue. They have demanded immediate abolition of entry tax. Interstate bus operators from neighbouring states have also supported the AIMTC move. Meanwhile, Kiran Kandolkar says the government is likely to issue concessional passes to transporters by 10th of May.
All India Motor Transporters held a meeting in Panji on Wednesday. President of All India Motor Transport Congress, Bal Malkit Singh, said they have resolved to stop transportation to Goa from 12th May. They have yet again strongly protested against entry tax by Goa government.
देश से कोई भी तरह की गाड़ी या वो पेट्रोलियम की हो या ट्रक हो या टैंकर हो या एलपीजी हो या मिल्क हो या वेजिटेबल हो कोई भी 12 मिडनाइट से गोवा में प्रवेश नहीं करेगी ऐसा मैं ऐलान करता हूं.
They have alleged CM Parrikar and Transport Minister Sudhin Daulikar for not keeping their word. CM had assured to resolve entry tax issue by 8th May with a special concession in entry tax to the transporters for nearby districts. They say decision of entry tax is illegal.
उन्होंने हमें आश्वासन दिया था कि 8 तारीख तक या 10 तारीख तक हम जो एसेंशियल कमोडिटी है उनको एग्जेम्प्ट करेंगे और आपको कुछ कंसेशनल पासेस देंगे और जो भी उचित कार्रवाई करनी है इसको वापस करने की उसके बारे में प्रयास करेंगे. आज तक हमें सीएम से तरफ से कोई कम्युनिकेशन आया नहीं है.
Maharashtra Transporters Sangh has also supported the call. They have threatened to stop transportation till entry tax is rolled back.
आम्ही 12 तारखेला रात्री 12 पासून महाराष्ट्रातलं एकही किंवा या राज्य देशातलं एकही वाहन मग ट्रक असो बस असो टेम्पो असो कुठलंही वाहन गोव्यामध्ये येणार नाही.
आणि गोव्याचा यानं काय करणार?
गोव्याची वाहनं आमच्याकडे येऊन देत की आम्ही ती थांबवून ठेवू.
त्यांना तुम्ही परत
आम्ही त्यांना जोपर्यंत हा टॅक्स कमी करत नाही तोपर्यंत आम्ही त्यांना तिकडून सोडणार नाही.
सगळे पैसे तुका स्ट्रायकार वयतले गोंयचे जावं ते महाराष्ट्रा जावं त्या कर्नाटका जावं सगळे पैसे स्ट्रायकार वयतले.
Chairman of Goa Horticulture Development Corporation says government may issue concessional passes to transporters in couple of days.
आम्ही गव्हर्नमेंट साइडीसून सांगला तांकां 10 तारीख मेरेन तेंचे जे कितें पास वाटप आहा कितें पळय म्हणजे पास सिस्टम करतले ते जातले म्हणून सांगला न्हू. म्हाका खाली तूं जर विचारशी न्हू तुमी कितें अरेंजमेंट करूंक शकता भाजी हाडपाचो जाल्यार तेच म्हजेर आहा ना. पूण ते अजून मेरेन तितले सिरियसनेस येवंक ना गोश्टी. जेन्ना येतले तेन्ना आमी तेजेर विचार करतले.
Meanwhile, Congress has strongly criticized the BJP government on entry tax. Congress says Karnataka anti-BJP poll result is a fallout of Goa entry tax.
हांवें खंय तरी मिडियाचेर वाचिल्लें अडवाणीन रिक्वेस्ट केल्लें किंवा सजेशन केल्लें की एंट्री फी आसा ती घेवची न्ही अशें राजनाथ सिंहान पूण हांगसर आमचें सरकार जें आसा तें इतलें हटवादी आसा इतलें ना म्हटलें तातूंतल्यान हांव अशें म्हणलें कंटाळून जनतेन बीजेपीच्या विरुद्ध दिल्लो हो निकाल आसा.
Last month, transporters had stopped transportation of vegetables and essential commodities to Goa, which led to a sudden price rise. Now, the interstate bus operators from neighbouring states have also backed the AIMTC's move. Government had just 3 days to resolve the issue. Reporter Mahesh Kadi with Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Fate of Goa mining continues to hang in balance till July. Supreme Court has adjourned the hearing on Goa mining matter to the 2nd or 3rd week of July. Supreme Court heard all the parties pertaining to mining matter and decided to give a lengthy hearing in the month of July. Hence, the interim ban on ore transportation and mining will stay for another 2 months. Court vacation will begin from next week.
Goa mining matter came up for hearing on Wednesday before the Supreme Court. Court heard all the arguments of petitioners. Amicus curiae Advocate Harish Salve urged the court to hear the Goa mining matter in 9 to 10 hearing sessions. Court has postponed the hearing in the 2nd or 3rd week of July. Supreme Court was of the opinion that if Goa mining matter required detailed hearing, it would not be possible to finish off the matter now with vacation period of 1 month beginning from next week. Court asked the petitioner Goa Foundation to file their reply within 4 weeks. Supreme Court has said that Central Empowered Committee can reply to the queries raised by different stakeholders if they want. The Supreme Court had banned mining operations in the state in October 2012 after Goa Foundation approached the Apex Court citing Shah Commission report. State government had also stopped the mining activities following the Shah Commission report. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Meanwhile, a delegation of Goa Mining People's Front met Finance Minister P. Chidambaram on Wednesday. They requested him to direct finance institutions to reschedule loans of mining affected people. They have also asked for special package for Goa. Chidambaram said proposal of special package should come from the state government. He also assured to look into the rescheduling of loan.
Finance Minister, he listened to the this thing. He heard what we said and whatever the arguments we put forward. And then what he said is that whatever your points are there for restructuring, etc., that from finance side will give proper instructions to the bank. But if you want a package for Goa, then it has to be a concerted decision between the Prime Minister and all the ministries. So then let the Chief Minister approach the central government. And then Prime Minister definitely will call for a meeting between the concerned ministries and accordingly take a sympathetic view and we can work out something.
Okay.
It has to come through Prime Minister to me.
Congress has swept Karnataka Assembly poll by clinching 120 seats out of 223. BJP has miserably lost and could manage only 40 seats. BJP has come down from 110 seats to just 40 seats. Illegal mining scam, Yediyurappa's ouster and formation of Karnataka Janata Party cost the Bharatiya Janata Party in Karnataka. JDS also secured 41 seats. Karnataka Janata Party won only 6 seats. The race for Chief Minister's chair has begun in Karnataka.
Congress has a clear mandate to govern for another 5 years.
I thank all the voters of Karnataka for having given clear majority to Congress party.
I don't think there's any message from Karnataka to the centre. I think the message to all political parties is that the people watch us very closely and very carefully. And we have to deliver.
Today, the outcome of Karnataka elections, it's certainly disappointing. But at the end of the day, we have lost elections in Karnataka, and we have to see that there has to be a fine balance, that we meet the aspirations of the people of the state, we bring in good governance, we are accountable to the people, and that the politics should be good enough, which should be accepted, and the leadership.
आमदार निवडून येतात पक्षाचे आणि एक ॲब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी कर्नाटकातलं नक्कीच 10 वर्षाच्या नंतर हे जातात. त्यामुळे एक सनसनीची चक्रात बॅकलॅश ऑन बीजेपी. बीजेपी ज्या पद्धतीने कर्नाटकात सत्ता हाताळले आणि ज्या प्रकारचे बंगाळी त्यांच्या पक्षाभितर आणि जे विषय त्यांनी हाताळले तातूंतल्यान हांव समज कंटाळून जनतेन बीजेपीच्या विरुद्ध जिल्लो हो निकाल आसा.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.